We're being asked here to express one number as a fraction of another. So it's kind of a simple problem, really, because what that means is I express one number, so let's just say one number, we call it x for now, as a fraction of another. So as a fraction of another number, we'll call it y. And so the answers will all take this form of one number, fraction bar, and then another number. Let's take a look at the first one. Give 20 as a fraction of 30. So this bit here of 30 is kind of like out of 30, and that means that 30 is the denominator. So now it's going to be something out of 30. We already know that the number that's out of 30 is 20, so give 20 as a fraction of 30. And then we're asked to simplify fully. So we can see there's a 0 on the top, a 0 down the bottom, so we can divide by 10. There you go, just did it. And so the final answer is 2 over 3, in other words, 2/3. So I'll write that over here. And the second one, there are 30 children in a class at school. 12 of the children are boys. In its simplest form, what fraction of the children in the class are boys? Okay, so let's have a look at that. There are 30 children in the class at school. Cool. So that's one number we've got. 12 of the children are boys. In its simplest form, what fraction of the children in the class, which is 30, are boys? Okay, so 12 goes over 30. And I can simplify that further because both are even. So if nothing else, I can halve it to make it 6 out of 15. 6 out of 15. Okay, so I know my 2's, no, 2's go into 6, but not 15. 3's definitely go into both. So divided by 3, divided by 3. And what am I ending up with? 2 over 5. And that becomes the final answer, 2/5. That's how you do it.